Hey guys, I brought you into the studio today. I've got a client who's lost a lot of weight and she wants me to take some of her favorite Star Wars shirts down from a 2X, 3X size down to like a medium large size. And so I thought I'd do the first one with you guys on camera and then I'll crank out the other two so I can get those sent out. And then I've also got a project for me that's adorable. I had a little girl come into the store last week and had on this little hot pink shirt that had on a balloon animal unicorn. It was the cutest thing I'd ever seen that she got at Target. So of course it's toddler sizes. So I went to Target. They didn't have any left, so I went online and there was one left in one size. It was an extra small youth, so you can imagine. And I bought it and I'm going to cut the graphic off and put it onto a t-shirt that I love already so I can wear it. I'm super excited about it. Okay, let's do it. You can see the t-shirt here. The first one, you know I love bright colors, so red is the one that I want to jump in first. And it's a good size regular t-shirt. And the graphic is on the front and the back. So I'm gonna do a little shred down the back and take you through it step by step. Okay, so the first thing that I did this thinking that I had recorded and I had not hit record. Apologies. I took all but an inch of the sleeve off and then I'll stretch it out real good so that it rolls on both sides. And then I just cut a few random vents and then you stretch it and that makes it curl up. And if you want to measure, you certainly can, but I don't like to do that. So now what we're going to do is fold the center. And this is a rare occasion. You get to see me measure. Make sure I got the seams lined up. And this is a great quality t-shirt, which is not usually the case, so I'm very excited. Very excited about that. Now you can see better when I talked about the spine and the ribs. That's what it looks like. And you really, let me get you in a better position. You really wouldn't be able to tell if it was not even, but I gave you a kind of sort of measure, but not really. You've seen me do this technique before. I'm going to stretch just to give me more room to work with. And you can see that this by itself would be really cool on the back of a shirt. If you wanted a loose shirt, or if you had one that fits you really tight, that you wanted to loosen up a little bit, this is a great way to do it. Give you some extra room. Okay, so what I'm going to do, start with the first one, bring the bottom one up and over, and repeat that all the way down. So this is just like the ones that you've seen me do going down the center of the back. We're just doing smaller versions down both sides. It's about time for a new mannequin. Betsy's wobbly in her old age. Hell, I'm wobbly in my old age, I swear. I sound like fucking, oh, I shouldn't have said that word. Okay, when you get to the bottom, which you can't see, this is the last little loop I did. So I'm pulling the hem up through it. And then what I'm going to do is tack it with the sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, you could either hand tack it, or you could cut this right in the center and put part of it under and part of it over and just tie a double knot, and that would be fine. I'm going to tack it. I'm just going to twist it up until I get to the sewing machine, and then we're going to go down the other side. Oh, you hear her creaking? She's like, Lord, hunty, I'm a mess. I can see already that I need to stretch the other side a little more. Oh, did I pulled two up at once? Okay. As you can see, that takes no time at all. It might even take less time than it does going straight down the center. And you can see what you have. Pretty kick-ass. Pretty kick-ass. But it still looks loose on the side, so she'll still give her that grungy feel. And then you can see how the little gills look in the front of the shirt. I love it. You know what I might do? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I was going to say I might put a little slit there, but I'm not. So now what I'm going to do is tack these to the bottom, and then I'll show you the finished look. Okay, after I tacked the bottom edges, I put it on the sewing machine and took the appropriate amount off both sides. With the serger, I haven't finished the hem. I wanted to show y'all before. So this is what the front looks like. And then that killer back, which is awesome. But yeah, and that's how easy it is. You can do it in just a few seconds. And you do not need a sewing machine. The shirt already fits you. Or if you want to make a bigger shirt smaller. Or whatever, really. Like, you could just wear it as baggy. However it turns out, just wear it that way. Of course, if you do so, you can alter it. There she is. Okay. Look good on your booty. Bye, guys.